Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. I'm going to post more bit cruelty-free, like centered videos, so stay tuned. And if you're interested in that kind of content or more, I don't know, I guess like realistic beauty content where I work full time. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a dog mom. I have, own a house, things like that. And I don't just, this is not my full-time gig. So more realistic content as in like I post my work looks. I try to do colorful but neutral, like that more realistic for me kind of makeup and like self-care. So if you're interested in that kind of content and other content and me, I have ADHD, so yes, I talk a lot, okay? This is not a fancy gig. And I click subscribe and like, okay? Because I like to watch realistic content and that's the kind of content I want to post. So let's get into what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag. I actually did purchase this. This is my first time actually paying for the Ipsy Glam Bag. I used to get it in PR, now I don't. I do have a link down below if you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, Boxycharm, Icon Box, all that kind of stuff. You get some money off, I get some money. It's a little bit of commission, but I appreciate it if you do. Let me know if you do in the comments down below. So we have this absolutely adorable bag with a little lollipop that this is like the whole thing is plastic, but like it's a bendy kind of lollipop. It's not stiff. And then there's green here and then there's hearts in there. Adorable. Okay. Only product I could choose, which by the way, I do spoilers. And I did film a video where I selected my Ipsy Glam Bag. Well, one item for my Ipsy Glam Bag, but like the options that I could have had or could have chosen. I filmed a video where I showed all the selections for Ipsy Glam Bag, Icon Box, and Boxycharm By Ipsy. So I got this. This is my only product I've ever had from this brand. And I really want to try their concealer and their foundation. This is from CL, I believe. And it's really nice. I didn't wet it today and I used it and I thought it turned out pretty nice. And then I love the case. I know this is like so silly and simple. My daughter thought you could use this case. I'm like, you probably could for like a video, but I wouldn't recommend it. But it's just nice because it's not gonna flop all around and it stands up. Just, little things. And then I love this color, like as a pink color. I don't know. Anyway, and then I have not worn this. I wore this on my lips yesterday really quickly, but I haven't put this on the face, so I don't know if this works or not. I'll do like a further like review video. But this is the Mo Beauty Chili Crisp Mo Jelly Blush and Lip Tint. Oh, I think I did get to choose two products, but they were like on different days. Okay, well the lid was on and it's a stain, but it's so interesting. It's like the Milk Makeup. I don't know if you can see it, but the Milk Makeup like jelly. What is it? Jelly tints. And I did put this on my lips. Like I said, I haven't put it on my cheeks, but it does, stain. I don't know how long it stains, but it has more of a matte feeling to it. Packaging's cute. I think it's a full size. So I did choose this and this. And then I did not get to choose the rest of the products. So this is the Rhodial Salicylic Acid Pore Refining Cleanser. I get a lot of cleansers. I don't deal with a lot of, I say that right now, I'm like probably gonna jinx myself and get a bunch of pimples. I do deal with a little bit of pimples, but not like, I wouldn't say I have like acne. Again, I'm like jinxing myself, please. But it says also lift and illuminate. It's a cleanser, but anyway. So it has pink diamond, or I don't know, it says salicylic acid gel cleanser with pink diamond. It's a nice like size. Usually, you get those little puny ones. But I have a lot of cleansers. If you get Boxycharm or Ipsy, you're going to get a lot of skincare products. Just be aware. This is not cruelty-free, but I know this is new. I wish Benefit was cruelty-free. I need to do a video also on brands I wish were cruelty-free. But this is the Benefit Bounce Bad Gal. So I'm just going to give this to my sister-in-law. And then, let's see. Last but not least, I've only used this one time, but it does feel pretty hydrating. This is from Tony Moly. This is the Wonder Ceramide Mochi Water Cream. Ceramide, Cica, and Aloe. Hydrates and restores skin barrier. This is, again, nice size. Not super small, but it's not large. Usually, you get like maybe one full-size product in Ipsy Glam Bag. It is $14 a month. But, yeah, so that's why I got an Ipsy Glam Bag. And I will get back to you on like mini reviews on the products that for Ipsy. Maybe I'll do like a video like that, like reviewing the products that I got in Ipsy, if I kept them, if I didn't keep them. So anyway, if you're interested in videos like that, again, cruelty-free and vegan content, I would click subscribe. And I always end my videos with, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is for beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. You can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. And I hope to see you in my next video.